Hey guys, it's Kelly from fitnessblender.com. I just wanted to let you know that we just released our brand new 4-week FB abs. This is round 2. So the last one we did was in 2015 and we have been hearing from you guys that you wanted a new round ever since. So we're happy to finally deliver on that. So just like the last time, you'll be doing a combination of HIIT and strength training that addresses the entire body. You can't spot reduce fat, so it's really important that this is a total body program. There's a special emphasis on core, your abs, your obliques, and your lower back. But this program is not just a bunch of crunches. You're going to be doing a wide variety of different training styles. Each week has its own strategy, and you'll be doing a different workout video every single day, so there are no repeats. The only thing you need for this workout program is a set of dumbbells, and even if you don't have them, you can still get in a great workout, and you can always improvise if you don't have dumbbells at home. The workouts average out to 32 minutes a day, 5 days a week, and the 6th day is optional and it focuses on stretching. So we provide extra credit challenges 2 to 3 times a week in case you happen to have the extra time and energy for an extra workout, if you wanna push yourself a little harder. Every day there's coaching. So we're covering everything from how you're eating, your mindset as you go through this program and as you approach eating healthier and adapting a workout program. We provide healthy recipes, modifications, all kinds of stuff. So in terms of difficulty level, this is an intense program. It involves a lot of HIIT, high intensity interval training, which is one of the most effective ways to burn off body fat. And like I said, we also do a bunch of strength training for the entire body. So it is a challenging program, but we also show modifications. Most of our videos show modifications for low impact workouts. And we encourage you to adapt any given exercise, whether it be the length of the interval, how the exercise is done, what you're lifting, to work for you. We want you to learn how to listen to your body. So this is not a plan just to totally brutalize you, even though the workouts are tough. We're going to encourage you to listen to your body, and we really just want you to feel great by the time you finish this program. So if you have any questions at all, I'll be hanging out in the comments for a little bit. So there's also a ton of information about this program. If you have any other questions about it, click on the link below. It is $9.99 for 4 weeks. And once you buy these programs, they are yours to repeat as many times as you like, at any pace as you like, no extra charge. So the programs are a large part of what allow us to create the workout videos, which I'm not sure how many we have now. I know it's over 500, but plus a new one every week. And they also allow us to keep our website free. Our workout program is hosted on our online workout calendar, which has all kinds of features. You can now reschedule workouts. You get to mark your each day's workout complete. So you get a big fat green check mark on each day of your calendar that you complete the program. And we just added a bunch of new features to our community forums too. So now we have notifications and all kinds of stuff. So if you haven't checked out the new website, be sure and do that, because if you haven't seen our website, if you're just using our content here on YouTube, you are definitely missing out. Our website has a ton of features, including searching all 500 plus of our workout videos by length, difficulty, equipment used, muscle groups used, training style, all kinds of stuff. So be sure and check that out. Like I said, there's also a vibrant community of, I think, some of the coolest people on the web. Everybody there is very supportive, very encouraging, very positive, and it's a great place to go for everything from advice to motivation, support, recipes, all kinds of good stuff. It's a good place to be. Monday's new workout is going live right now on our website. We've started to push our new workout videos live on Sundays now, but only on our website. So if you want that new workout early, be sure to head over to the website. Otherwise, it will go live on YouTube tomorrow morning. So this is really wordy. I hope I covered everything, but like I said, if you guys have any questions at all, I'll be here in the comments section hanging out, and you can also find this program in the link below, and there'll be a ton more information there on the program. So I hope you guys had a good weekend, and I'll see you the new workout. Bye-bye. By the way, in case you didn't notice, check out the sweet logo that Daniel surprised me with for our office. Ooh, logo. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you with the new workout.